Hi guys! Welcome to video number 5 of our Financial Literacy Challenge. Now, I will share one of the most important financial goals, planning for retirement. Retirement might seem far away, but trust me, it will be here before you know it. Sabi nga nila, di ba? Your retirement can be your longest vacation or your worst nightmare. The earlier you start planning, the easiest it will be enjoy your golden years without worrying about your money. How? First, determine your retirement age. When do you want to retire? Knowing your retirement age is a key to determining how much money you'll need. Second, calculate your retirement income needs. Estimate how much money you'll need each month during retirement to maintain your current lifestyle. Third, decide on a retirement savings plan. Decide how much money you want to save each month to reach your retirement goal. Fourth, consider other sources of retirement income. Makaka-receive ka ba ng pension or other sources of retirement income? Make sure to factor this when you are calculating your retirement income needs. Planning for retirement is like having a personal assistant that ensure you'll have a comfortable life during golden years. The earlier you start, the easier you to reach your retirement goals. Watch my video number 6, Understanding Your Credit Cards. See you!